Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. We're looking at Eighth Note Express from Standard of Excellence, Book 1. Only one pitch is used in this, that's our F. Steady breath, stable sound. We go at a slower tempo. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Careful with your counting through there. Now as we move on to 51, use that same timing and counting, but we're going to be changing pitches as we go. So skip it loose. So this is going to be using our low A's in second. 1, 2. We'll be down there for those. And we're going to keep about that same tempo going. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3. But now we are changing pitches. And we also have the solo and tutti part. Check with your band teacher about that. But solo, one person. Soli, the entire trombone section in this case, or entire clarinet section and others. And then tutti is all together, which would be everyone. But I'm going to play the song just as written. 1, 2, and 3. So this page, we're introducing the eighth notes. Very important to get the idea that the notes with the line connecting them, how important those are. And so now we're going to eighth note expert, and that switches our eighth notes. So we've been doing 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3. Now we have our eighth notes on beat 1. So we're looking at 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then the rest. Right. And so that's going to lead us into our first song, where we are changing notes and not just working on the rhythm. Leading us into 53, Mexican Mountain Song. 1 and 2. The E flat to the B flat, that's a 4-note jump. It's called a perfect fourth. It's a pretty big jump. Clean, big jump down, and here we go. And watch those tied notes. Half note tied to quarter, give you 3 beats for that. And let's Move on to 54. All right, so 54, Baffling Bar Lines. This is less about playing and more about where to put your notes, your line in each between forming the measures. So you have to make sure you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4. And so the first part we have 2 half notes, line after that. Then we have quarter, 2/8, and a half, which gives us 3 to 4, and kind of work through it that way. And 1, 2, slowly. All right. Oh, exercise in thirds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.